Welcome back to Product Scout. Today, we're diving into a keyboard that blends vintage charm with modern functionality, the MOFII full-size wired typewriter keyboard in black colorful. If you're someone who loves the aesthetic of classic typewriters but needs a reliable, ergonomic keyboard for everyday use, this might just be the perfect fit. Right off the bat, the design grabs your attention. This keyboard features retro round keycaps that really give you that nostalgic typewriter feel. It's a stylish throwback but with all the conveniences of a modern full-size keyboard. The keys are spacious, and there's a full number pad on the side, which is great for productivity, especially if you do a lot of data entry or number-heavy work. Speaking of productivity, the MOFII keyboard comes equipped with 12 multimedia shortcut keys. These let you easily control your media, so you can play or pause videos, adjust volume, browse the web, or even manage your emails, all without leaving your current task. This is a handy feature that streamlines your workflow. The keyboard connects via USB-A, so it's plug and play. No drivers or software installations needed. Just plug it into any compatible device, whether that's a Windows PC, Mac, Chromebook, or even Linux-based systems, and it's ready to go. There's no battery to charge, which means zero interruptions or interference from wireless connections. Plus, it includes a handy dust brush to keep your keyboard clean, which is often overlooked but really important for maintenance. Ergonomics have been thoughtfully considered here. The keyboard includes foldable stands to angle your keyboard just right, reducing wrist strain during long typing sessions. Anti-slip pads keep it stable on your desk so it won't slide around, which adds to the overall comfort and usability. One of the standout features is the colorful and vibrant design. The black base combined with colorful keycaps makes your workspace lively and unique. It's an eye-catching accessory that adds personality without being over the top. In terms of build, the keyboard is lightweight, around 1.8 pounds, and measures roughly 11 by 9 inches. It's slim too, less than an inch thick, so it doesn't take up much desk space. The USB cable is about 65 inches long, giving you plenty of flexibility to position your keyboard comfortably. The keyboard also features 3 indicator lights to keep you informed of your caps lock, num lock, and scroll lock status. These small touches enhance usability, especially if you're frequently working in dimmer environments. As for support, MOFII offers a 12-month warranty, along with responsive customer service that promises replies within 24 hours. This shows confidence in the product's quality and offers peace of mind for buyers. To summarize, if you want a keyboard that combines a charming retro aesthetic with modern-day functionality and comfort, the MOFII wired typewriter keyboard is worth considering. It's especially suited for users who type a lot and want something that's both practical and visually distinctive. Thanks for watching Product Scout. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights and product rundowns. See you next time.